Hello, friends. Today's reflection is coming out of John 15:13. Greater love has no one than this, than to lay down one's life for his friends. The 1970 film Love Story became famous for the words love means never having to say you're sorry. That line is just one of many people have described love throughout the years. But Jesus Christ gave us the best example of true love. The kind of love is manifested by one person, by willing to lay down his or her life for a friend. Although ultimately, to lay down one's life, it means to die. We can also show true love by laying down our own desires, time, or opinions. True love is giving of oneself for a friend. John 3:16 says, God so loved the world, he gave his only begotten Son. But John 15:13 says, Jesus loves you personally because as his follower, you are his friend. John 15:14-15. If you ever feel small in the light of the entire world, you can erase that feeling by taking Jesus' words to heart. You are his friend if you are his follower. He laid down his life for you. Andrew Murray said this, our love to God is measured by everyday fellowship with others and the love it displays. And if this has encouraged you, please feel free to share this with someone who you think might need to hear this. And as always, please like and subscribe as well. Thank you for joining me today, and God bless you.